In Nigeria, development is often measured by one question: how much support did they get from government? But what happens when cities begin to compete and grow without waiting for handouts? For some, this is inspiring. For others, it feels unsettling, even threatening. For decades, Nigerians have been conditioned to expect government to lead everything. Federal allocations, central projects, top-down development. Cities that grow outside this framework often raise questions. In many Igbo cities, growth follows a different logic. Private capital fills the gaps. Community organizations mobilize resources. Diasporal investment returns home. The result is competition, not for handouts, but for livability, commerce, and opportunity. When a system walks outside the norm, it challenges assumptions. It questions dependency. It exposes inefficiencies. It suggests that waiting may not be the only option. For those invested in centralized control, this independence can feel disruptive. Competition does not automatically mean hostility, but in a polarized environment, self-sufficiency is sometimes misread as defiance. Cities that thrive quietly can be perceived as outpacing others, and that perception creates tension. Self-driven urban competition offers lessons, not danger. It reduces pressure on central government. It encourages innovation. It creates resilient local economies. These benefits extend beyond regional boundaries. The question is not whether Igbo cities should slow down. The question is whether Nigeria should learn from models that work. Progress is not a threat. It is an invitation.